Hi guys, Aniq here. Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So what we have here today is this LED spiral wall light. So this seems like something really random, but it's a really cool way to just upgrade the way your room looks or any place, and it looks really simple, and it's gonna make it look really cool. So you guys can see on the front, all it looks like it's just a black cylinder, and then the cylinder has a couple of holes in a spiral pattern with RGB lights. That's the front. On the back, it has a couple different customizable colors, which we're gonna look at soon. So let's go ahead and open this up. So as I said before, this is for your wall mount. So this is gonna go specifically on the wall. It's not. I doubt it won't be able to. It won't be able to not be used on your floor or anything, or your table. So if you want, it's probably usable for that too. However, I think the main reason why it's made for the wall is just so all the lights may show. And it's really simple. Took the whole thing out of the box right here. It's really small, nothing big. Little instruction manual right here. What it requires is 3 AAA batteries, which go on the bottom. And inside the battery compartment, we already have a couple batteries. And you guys can see, so this is how it's supposed to be. And then once I place it, lights are turned on. I can change the modes and everything from the button on top. So we're gonna go ahead and show you guys how it looks now. So here we are. We've made the room completely pitch black. Nothing here. We have, you guys can't see it, but I have the light in my hand. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. And we've gone ahead and turned it on. And this is just on the table, so yes, it can be used on a table too. If I press this, changes the colors. It has 16 different static colors. As you can see, it has this mode, this one here, which is pretty cool. It fades through different colors. Here's another one. This one kind of like changed the colors like in a spiral. That and back to red. So that's all 16 color modes. And if I move back a little, you guys can see it's actually pretty bright. You guys can also like place it on the wall. If I place it on the wall, which it isn't currently, it actually covers a lot more area because the lights are further back. So if I place this here, it covers a lot more. Okay, so you guys saw how it looks. I think it looks really cool. I think it's a really cool way that, especially at night or anything, at like a party, you can just turn this on really small, and it creates a really cool mood in the room. 2 things I did want to show too were that it comes with a magnet and an adhesive on the back of it, so it can also go on fridges, which is really interesting. So you can put it on fridges, anywhere else, which, like, if you don't want to stick it with this, that's a really good way to put it. It only uses 2 AAA batteries, so it's also really easy to hide pretty much. There's no wires or anything involved. And so definitely recommend for you to buy this if you just want to add a little bit more ambience or anything in your room. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video. Remember to subscribe to our channel and remember to hit the bell icon. Bye!